Hello YouTubers, it's Randy back from the WOG rally. We had our big rally of the year in October of this year, last week in Pine Mountain, Georgia. Had 123 coaches there and had a great time. We got some videos from that we got to put on too, but we wanted to get this because it's a beautiful day and I got a yard full of friends and we're doing all kinds of little projects. You can see all the coaches in the backyard, and then we got the guys here putting an inverter in, and then I don't know what Mark's doing over there, but lots of stuff going on a beautiful day. We got coaches, let's see, there's 3 there, 1 in the shop, 2 in the shop. We're gonna walk that way. This is my bus. Here, Carol's got it on thing now, and then if you come over this way, you can see my 71 project bus. We've been restoring that for a while, and we're working, actually making some covering the dash with leather on that today, or we're trying to. We need some needles for the sewing machine. And then we got this beautiful thing here. Put your sunglasses on, you're gonna need it. You see a beauty, 1986, I think. Very, very pampered. This is where we've been hanging out at night, drinking beer and having a good time, having breakfast. Back here we have a 94 wide body. This one's for sale. We're doing a few repairs on the bay doors and stuff today. A little roller issue. And then we have this beautiful 2000 LXI. And over here we have an 88 FC. We got the radiator out down at the shop getting the record, and charge air cooler clean, putting belts and hoses on it.
So Bill hooked me up.
Bill hooked you up?
Yeah, I got a good deal. What I'd like to do is take the switch off the center, get it free from one of the studs that's at the bottom. It's a busted bolt.
Okay.
And then pull on it again.
Do that. We're taking a little video and we'll be doing that. This is a 84 Ford Control. This belongs to Pork Ranch on the WOG, and we call the bus Snake Bit. Funny story behind that. We're doing a little modification. The goat rail got a little bent. It had a bird strike, and we're pulling it down with a forklift. He's putting some new screws and sealing some holes in the roof. And over here, this is a 89 SP, so that's a rear engine single axle pusher, 3208. Here's one of our Wanderlodge friends that has moved into a Tiffin. Nice coacher staying outside. And then down the street.
Penny.
Hey, Penny, get back in there. Back in. Get back. We have a 91 wide body 40. That's our overflow parking there. Beautiful day in South Georgia. At the rally last week, there was 123 of these stuff there. And it's a great rally, 4 days that we stretch into about 8. And we have seminars, potluck dinners, barbecues. We just have a wonderful time. But you need to be a member of the Wanderlodge Owners Group to come to that. And it's a fun time. You learn a lot about Wanderlodge. Excuse the dogs. So I guess that's all, but hey, subscribe to the channel if you would. Hit that like button. Give us a thumbs up and comment below. Tell me what you think about the backyard and all the fun we're having. See you down the road.